Welcome back, my party people! Just thought I would try something different with the intro. I know y'all probably get tired of hearing me say the exact same thing all the time, but welcome back to another work from home job lead. This one requires absolutely no experience whatsoever, which is always so exciting. So if you are looking to get into the healthcare field but don't have a health experience, this might be perfect for you. Today's job lead is from the company Option Care Health. They have a 3.1 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. They have 685 reviews. Of course, as always, the Glassdoor page and the job posting page are linked in the YouTube description box below. If you want to go check them out, put that application in, or do some additional research on the company. But Option Care Health is hiring a reimbursement clerk. Now, they are based out of Springfield, Illinois, but they are hiring remote national throughout the United States. One thing you might want to take into account is because this is a healthcare company, they are going to require you to have the COVID-19 vaccine, even if it is a work from home. They are paying $16 an hour for this position, which works out to $128 a day. That is before taxes. But they are looking for somebody to provide administrative and clerical support in accordance with department procedures. You'll also perform routine clerical duties such as data entry, filing, compiling and posting records, photocopying as needed. You'll scan all reimbursement documentation into the patient's financial chart, and you'll scan all cash batches and EOBS, or explanation of benefits received from the insurance companies, into the patient's chart. You'll perform a follow-up on claim submission to make sure that the insurance companies received the claims. You'll copy and distribute the EOBs or other documentation as necessary. Then you might have to follow up with the insurance companies for some claim submissions, and that may include occasionally picking up the phone and making an outbound phone call if you can't find it online. But in today's healthcare world, most insurance companies have provider portals, and a lot of that can be done electronically online, so this is a mostly non-phone position. Now, as far as what they are requiring, a high school diploma or GED, no college degree is required. They just want somebody who has a basic level in Microsoft Excel and a basic level in Microsoft Word. Other than that, that is all the actual requirements. Now, it does say previous infusion, medical billing, or collections or intake admissions experience is preferred, but not required. Again, pay is $16 an hour. They offer a standard benefit package that includes dental insurance, disability, health, life, vision, all the things, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for. Let me know down below in the comments as well if you enjoy these healthcare work from home job leads, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.